There are so many exfoliating methods that you might be doing already, but without the balance, which can destroy your skin. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything so that you don't make these mistakes anymore. Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shumapti and it's so good to have you here. Today, I'm going to talk about exfoliation. Everything I do for my face, for my body, for my scalp, for my lips is going to be a big chatty video. Before that, I had second giveaway announcement. So for this giveaway, just let me know about your favorite exfoliating product that you have tried, what works for you in the comments box. I will be picking one winner from that, and this giveaway is gonna happening every month. So now let's talk about exfoliation, and I'm gonna start with the face. Recently I realized this is not only AHA, BHA or physical exfoliants. We do use other skincares like clay mask, peeling mask. Those have mild to moderate exfoliating properties. I'm really scared of over exfoliation. I have done it. Skin barrier was damaged. My skin was angry. I don't want to go there. So let's start with talking about the things that we do to our face that can exfoliate our skin. So you can strike a balance between what to do and what not to do. First, clay mask. Yes, clay mask, they have mild exfoliating properties, and I love using clay mask, and I use clay mask once in a week. Also, there are other masks that have added lactic acid, then mandelic acid. Know this, if you're using toners, serum, mask that have exfoliating acid, strike a balance. Sometimes we think only the serums are exfoliating our skin. We eliminate this mask. If you don't strike a balance between serum and mask, then you can over exfoliate your skin. So for me, I'm using a plain clay mask once in a week. Number 2, washcloth can also exfoliate your face or skin. So if you're using washcloth for your face, be mindful there. I don't personally use washcloth for now. Number 3, cleanser. I love using lactic acid cleanser. This is from Simple. It works really well for me. I use it twice in a week. I just use this cleanser at night or sometimes in the morning, but I don't do this every day. Make sure you're keeping this cleanser at least for 1 minute before washing it off to let the exfoliation happen properly. And I think exfoliating cleansers are very good for beginners as well. Number 4, chemical peel. I use Conscious Chemist chemical peel or ordinary chemical peel. They have around 30% AHA, 2% BHA. That's a very strong pill. So I was using like once in a week, then I realized no, it's too much. So right now I'm using twice in a month, which is doing great. I keep this for say 10 minutes, then I wash it off. Don't overdo it. There are people who think they have to use this every week. No, if you think twice in a month or once in a month working really well for you, then do that. Number 5, salicylic acid serum or toner. I use salicylic acid when I get breakouts, blackheads, because salicylic acid is very good at targeting blackheads, pimples, because it is oil soluble. It can penetrate deeper in our skin. Salicylic acid, like I told you, I only use it when I need it, but I make sure I apply salicylic acid on my nose at least twice or thrice in a week because I get blackheads here, and salicylic acid takes care of that. Also, if you get breakouts and pimples, clogged pores, you can use salicylic acid frequently. Number 6, AHA toner or serum. So AHA can work really good on textures, whiteheads. If you have pigmentation, AHA is really nice. So I try to use AHA once or twice in a week. I like mandelic acid, lactic acid. Use whichever is suiting you. At number 7, I have exfoliating mask. By that I mean the masks that contain AHA or BHA. Currently I'm not using that many exfoliating masks, but I like Dermaco salicylic acid mask that works really well for breakouts. Even doctor says they have this mandelic acid, glycolic acid mask that work also really well. And there is a brand Skin QIQ something. They also have exfoliating mask with AHA that works really well for my dull skin. Also, there are like manual scrubs. If your skin doesn't take chemical exfoliation that well, you can use manual scrubs or manual scrub based mask. It's okay because not everyone can find AHA, BHA to be suitable for their skin. I have heard from you many people get very bad reaction. For them, they can try this gentle exfoliating manual scrubs. It's not that you have to use something if it is not suiting your skin. Listen to your skin. This is the thing I repeat. Number 8, I have shaving. Yeah, shaving also can exfoliate your skin. We don't realize it, but it does. And I shave my skin once or twice in a month. I used to use this razor, but that is not suiting my skin anymore. So currently I'm using brown hair remover, which is working well. My point is, there are people who shave like once or twice in a week, so they can slow down with other exfoliating products, you know, because you're already shaving your skin. By that way you're exfoliating as well. So maybe you want to tone down other exfoliating products you are using in your routine, otherwise you're gonna over exfoliate. At number 9, I have peel off mask, and personally I find peel off mask to be really harsh on the skin, so I don't use that. There are also peeling gels that also didn't work that well for me, but know this, these things also can exfoliate your skin. At number 10, I have powder wash, and I really like using powder wash. They have this mild exfoliating benefits. I love one from Indulgio, then Ushtrend, they have good powder wash. So yeah, if you want mild exfoliation, you can use powder wash like every day or every other day, because they are really mild. So now that you know there are so many ways to exfoliate your skin, and you may be doing many of them, I have spoken in this video together without realizing, everything is coming together and giving you this compounding effect that is too harsh for your skin. So balance it out. For body, there are many exfoliating methods. I use sugar scrubs once or twice in a week. Also, I love using body lotions with lactic acid or glycolic acid or salicylic acid that can exfoliate your skin. Also, you can use those dry brush, then loofah, those things also exfoliate. For my lips, I use lactic acid or mandelic acid serum, then I seal it with Vaseline. I do this twice or thrice in a week, and also I use sugar scrubs sometimes. For my underarms, I prefer using underarm roll-on with lactic acid that can exfoliate, or any AHA. And for my feet, I love using those, you know, very rich exfoliating creams from Moisturizers. They have good quantity of AHA, BHA. It works really well. I use this twice in a week, and sometimes I use pumic stone. Exfoliation for the scalp as well. Well, I use clay mask once in a month for my scalp because my scalp is really oily. I'm gonna show you someday how I use it, but I have not used any of like those serums, AHA or BHA serum for my scalp. Also, please note this, when you will be exfoliating, your skin can get extra photosensitive, so make sure you're using sunscreen properly. And if you are pregnant, then please try to avoid salicylic acid in your skincare routine. And I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for being there. Also, please feel free to join this giveaway, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.